In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change characters in LEGO Batman 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to switch characters on the fly and how to change your character in LEGO Batman 2. You will be able to do this on story mode and free mode. However, there are a lot of limitations that I need to go over. So first, to answer the question in the title of this video, all that you have to do to swap characters is to either press or hold triangle. So if you press triangle or Y, you will be able to switch characters on the fly. So just press triangle and you will be able to switch right away. Or if you hold, you will be able to change your character. So you can see this list and you can individually pick which character you would like to swap into. So all that you have to do here is hold triangle and you will be able to change which character you want to play as. Now, the difficulty is that you will need to finish the game before you are able to freely switch between all of the characters. So to play as any character in the city, you have to do exactly what you have to do to unlock any character in the levels. Then you just finish the story and you will have access to that character for the entirety of Gotham City. After you have finished all the story missions, then you will be able to unlock Gotham City free play, and then you can just hold triangle like I mentioned to swap between the characters. So to keep it simple, the answer is that you just need to hold triangle, and it's going to work after you have beaten the game and you have full access to the city and free play in LEGO Batman 2. This should work on any platform that you are playing LEGO Batman 2, and if you are using a different controller, it's not going to be triangle, but it should still be the equivalent button. Just press the button equivalent to triangle on a PlayStation controller and you will be able to see the character roster where you can swap between any character available after you have beaten the game once. I hope I was able to help you on how to change characters in LEGO Batman 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.